Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by connecting your Moto to the computer with a reliable data cable. This establishes the physical link and provides power. Once connected, open Settings, go to Network and Internet, then Hotspot and Tethering and flip on USB tethering. You do this now because the phone must present itself as a modem to the computer. Enabling the toggle exports mobile data over the USB link. Make sure mobile data is on, and you have signal so the PC can get internet immediately. Once done on the phone, your computer should detect a new USB network adapter and install drivers automatically. Let that finish. You should open Network Connections, Windows, or Network Preferences, Mac, to confirm the adapter shows as connected. If required, set the adapter to obtain IP and DNS automatically so routing and name resolution work without manual entries. You check this because incorrect IP settings are a common blocker. After configuring, test Internet in a browser to verify connectivity quickly. You finish by confirming browsing, checking speed, and monitoring data usage so you don't hit caps. Make sure to disable USB tethering in the phone settings before unplugging to avoid stale network states on the PC. If the connection fails, try the key troubleshooting move. Switch the phone's USB mode to file transfer or charging, then switch back to USB tethering to force a fresh driver handshake. If that fails, reinstall or update the USB network driver on your computer.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.